Welcome back, Croii Dynasty. Today I'm here to bring y'all a special video. As y'all can see, I'm not at the gym. I'm in the middle of this parking lot, but your boy wanted to tell you something. So recently I caught wind of a car show happening in STL. And if you couldn't tell, your boy is walking to said car show. And guys, right off the bat, there are some sexy ass cars here. But I'm gonna take y'all over to the main viewing point. We're gonna walk around, take a look at all the good cars. I mean, you can hear plenty of cars revving down the road right now. And yeah, I'll let y'all know when I'm over to the main area. Catch y'all later. So if y'all couldn't tell, I finally made it to the entrance of this car meet, and there are some crazy cars here, folks. And honestly, I'm just gonna show y'all the whole lot. The whole lot. Like, woo. Hold on, I wanna go right first. Hold on. This is so cool, y'all. Check it out. Got some red Miatas, black Beamers. Yeah, like honestly, I'm just gonna show you guys the whole lot because there's some really great cars here, folks. And honestly, I think y'all just deserve to see everything. So I'm gonna put some cuts in. I'm gonna edit it up, and I'm gonna show y'all the best cars here. And All right, y'all. I think that's gonna be it for today's YouTube video. I hope y'all like the car meet. I'm about to go back home, about to edit this. I'm gonna show y'all the best cars here, the classics, the most customized, all of that good stuff. But anyways, yeah, that's it for today. Peace out, Croii Dynasty.